Hi, welcome back to my channel, I Can Sew. Today I'm working on measuring my dog so that we can make, I can make, he doesn't help do a doggone thing, these Christmas pajamas. Now I told you I'm considering them holiday pajamas because I will be wearing them all winter. And he is right here. It's my baby Jameson. Now according to them, and them as the pattern makers, I need to measure. Get this together, Jameson. Get this together. Come on, babes. I need to measure your neck. Can I measure your neck? Do this. Work with me. So I have to measure his neck, which he's pretty fat. So his neck comes up to about 14 inches. And then I need, oh, Jesus, you're doing the absolute most. Stay still. And I need to brush him so y'all don't pay attention. I hope you guys models don't act like my model. My model is a complete, oh, okay. All right. Guess you don't like me about to say nothing nasty about you, right? So your neck is a 14 and your chest is an 18. Let me measure your length. Look in the camera, look. He's so cute. Anyways, let me look in the mirror. Hold on. Let me get you here. Hold on. Your chest is 18, we said, right? And your body to your towel is 15. So, now I can get started. We can get started. I'm not going to make this a long video at all. You guys have a great day. Bye.